if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. So today I wanted to start off by showing you what I've been starting out my mornings with. So for those of you who don't know, I am a super active person, but sometimes my brain is way ahead of me and I end up getting overwhelmed and just feeling agitated with the lack of time and energy and focus to stick to a task and get it done. I've always been like that. So when Magic Mind reached out to me, I had to give it a shot, and I mean literally give it a shot. And well, it's my new favorite thing. I look forward to this every day, and that says a lot. I have taken other nootropics in the past, and they were good. But with this one, it's all in one. It tastes really good once you get used to it. Like literally, I enjoy drinking them. I enjoy the flavor of it. I could possibly start going to more green places and ordering this kind of stuff. Like maybe it's matcha, maybe it's agave. I don't know. But there's something in here that tastes really good to me. So like I mentioned, the matcha, the L-theanine in matcha helps increase focus and attention. I drink a ton of coffee. Well, I used to, but I really cut back a lot since taking this. Caffeine doesn't actually give you energy. It blocks the adenosine receptors in your brain, the neuroreceptors that tell you you're tired. When the receptors unblock, 1 to 3 hours later, you experience a caffeine crash and you start feeling sluggish. And I had those almost every day because I was constantly drinking coffee. L-theanine binds with the caffeine molecules in matcha and prevents the full blocking of receptors, so reducing and dissolving the caffeine crash and jitters you feel. It's nature's time-released caffeine. Yes, for sure. I would even drink so much coffee sometimes I would get shaky. I would feel my heart beating fast, beating weird. Caffeine definitely gives you a jittery type feeling, and this I just hope y'all try this. I really, really do, especially if you're a huge coffee drinker like I was. It's amazing. I would recommend this to any of my friends and family, and I know that they would reorder. I'm putting in another order this month because I don't want to see this box gone from my fridge ever again. I'm so serious. My stress has gone down so much, tremendously. And it feels good to see what I'm truly capable of. I feel like my brain is functioning better, speaking clearer, thinking about my words more. There's a huge difference. So yeah, I'll be giving y'all updates here on how it's going. I really think this is the one though. I think this is the one I'm sticking to. I will have this linked in the description box below. Use code Jubara20 for 20% off of Magic Mind, and just go check out the website and look these ingredients up, see what they do for, science and studies show. So check it out for yourself, of course, but I would totally recommend it. Thanks, Magic Mind, for sending me this, and thank you for sponsoring this portion of today's video.
Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego.
So I get a lot of questions about what I'm using. I always use spray away glass cleaner for my windows and mirrors and sometimes the kitchen appliances. And I always use Murphy oil soap with water to clean anything wood or any other surfaces in the house. And that's what I was cleaning the other day when I cleaned the blue marker off of the doors. It's always Murphy oil soap mixed with water. It's one of my favorite cleaners. So now I'm just going to vacuum up in here really quickly, and then we're going to head to the kitchen and clean up in there. Today, after I finish this voiceover, I'm going to be cleaning the laundry room again. It's a hoarding situation at this point, so got to get that done, especially before Christmas. A lot of stuff needs to be done, so I'll be working the rest of the day on that, but I wanted to get this voiceover done for y'all. And yeah, I wanted to say thank you so much. We are over 21,000 now here in our little community. It's a positive place, a happy place, and I hope we keep it that way. I love you all, and I appreciate you all so, so, so much.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the light, the one I pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
So we are just about done in here, guys. I was kind of rushing. As you could tell, some of our friends had called and they were going to be coming over to hang out, and so we ended up making chili, watching a movie, just having a real chill night. Had a few drinks. It was real nasty outside, and it was a really nice, relaxing night. But anyway, yeah, I'm using Murphy oil soap with water to clean the table off. Like I said, anything wood or any other surface, I usually use the Murphy oil soap mixed with water. I just like the way it smells. It's really fresh and clean and not too chemical smelling. I don't know. I just always liked Murphy oil soap. But now I'm just going to run the vacuum in here, and then we're going to go tidy up the living room.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. What a now.
Of course, my vacuum's battery died, and so I ended up having to sweep the carpet squares, but that was okay. They're really easy to sweep as well. I'm going to be cleaning these this week, and I will film that for y'all and show y'all how that is done. It's super easy. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how the living room turned out, and then I'm going to go fold some towels and let y'all go. I love you all. Take care of each other. Don't forget to go check out Magic Mind. Link in the description, Jubara 20 for 20% off. You will not be disappointed. Anyway, I'll talk to you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.
I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you.